Experience the creative power of the Pilates Arc in this innovative workshop with Elizabeth Larkam. Explore how the arc and step elevate proprioception and interoception through fascial connections and intelligent movement design. This is far from a standard spine corrector workout. The arc's ability to act as both a stable surface and a dynamic, rockable platform offers unique challenges for core stability, balance, coordination, and neuro-plasticity. You'll learn adaptable sequences on the mat and reformer suitable for beginners through advanced movers, while diving into fascia-focused movement, the role of the vagus nerve, the principles of bio-tensegrity, and the value of closed-kinetic chain work. With Elizabeth's research-driven approach and unmatched depth of knowledge, this workshop will expand your teaching toolkit and inspire new ways to program and explore movement. We hope you enjoy this workshop and never stop learning.